They say the manangal only comes out at night. But what happens when it chooses your home? In a small village in the Visayas, a pregnant woman was left alone in her house. Her husband was away at work, and the night felt strangely quiet. Then she heard it, flapping wings above the roof. Shadows moved across the walls and fear slowly crawled into her chest. Suddenly, a long tongue slipped through the darkness, searching for her unborn child. She screamed, grabbing anything she could to protect herself. When the sun finally rose, the creature disappeared. The mother survived, but villagers say the manangal still returns. If it comes for you, would you survive?